हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। फॉर पीडीएफ जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम, लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। वेवर्ड, मनमौजी, हठी। मीनिंग, difficult to control or predict because of unusual or perverse behavior. Synonyms, erratic, unruly, unpredictable, rebellious. Antonyms, predictable, compliant, obedient, steady. Example, he won the Nobel Prize for sentences that go their wayward way. Apprehended, pakadna, giraftar karna. Meaning, to arrest someone for a crime. Synonyms, arrested, captured, detained, seized. Antonyms, released, freed, liberated. Example, two staff members were also apprehended by the police and interrogated. Thud, dhamak, dhadam. Meaning, a dull, heavy sound such as that made by an object falling to the ground. Synonyms, clump, thump, clunk, bang. Antonyms, swish, whisper. Example, a big thud woke me up from sleep, and smoke filled the bus. Poised, tatpar, tayar. Meaning, ready or prepared to do something, having a composed and self-assured manner. Synonyms, ready, prepared, waiting, position. Antonyms, unprepared, hesitant. Example, Rajasthan was poised to become a $350 billion economy. Unveiled, anavaran kiya, prakat kiya. Meaning, to show or announce publicly for the first time. Synonyms, revealed, announced, launched, presented. Antonyms, concealed, hidden, covered. Example, the Prime Minister's communications chief has unveiled the target for vote chori in Bihar. Breach, ullanghan, darar. Meaning, an act of breaking or failing to observe a law, agreement, or code of conduct. Synonyms, violation, contravention, infringement, infraction. Antonyms, compliance, observance, agreement. Example, 10 ISL clubs slammed the IFF for a breach of trust over the delay. Propriety, auchitya, shishtachar. Meaning, conformity to conventionally accepted standards of behavior or morals. Synonyms, decorum, respectability, correctness, decency. Antonyms, impropriety, misconduct, indecency. Example, the CPI expressed deep anguish over the breach of coalition propriety. Surreal, avastavik, avishwasniya. Meaning, having the qualities of a dream, bizarre or fantastic. Synonyms, bizarre, dreamlike, unreal, strange. Antonyms, realistic, ordinary, natural. Example, working on this book was a surreal experience for me. Allegiance, nishtha, rajbhakti. Meaning, loyalty or commitment of a subordinate to a superior or of an individual to a group or cause. Synonyms, loyalty, fidelity, commitment, devotion. Antonyms, treason, betrayal, disloyalty. Example, the police recovered videos of the suspect taking a vow of allegiance to the IS terrorist leader. Spar, behas karna, jhagadna. Meaning, to engage in argument, typically of a minor nature, to make the motions of boxing without landing heavy blows. Synonyms, argue, quarrel, bicker, dispute. Antonyms: agree, conquer, concede. Example: the Congress and BJP spar over OBC politics in poll-bound Bihar. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.